These questions, thank you guys.
All right. First of all, thank you very much for being here. It's a pleasure to listen to your ideas and advice. And my question is, like you said before, that you speak to a lot of businessmen in the United States, I guess. And what do you think? How could we transform the industrial meat production to a more sustainable or more organic production, so we benefit from this and that the world benefits from that?
Yeah, again, it's really looking at the process of whether it's super global, large scale, or it's like a community, you know. In the fact that there are so many people eating so much beef so often that it has become, like, specifically, like, you know, the beef industry has become very unsustainable. In the same way that energy, so many people are consuming so much energy, so often, it's become very unsustainable. I wouldn't really say, like, okay, in the context of fossil fuels, I wouldn't say let's try to make fossil fuels more sustainable so we can keep using it, in the same way that I'm not going to say let's try to make meat more sustainable so we keep using it. In that instance, though, there are people that are practicing things such as permaculture, which is kind of a holistic, full systems approach at looking at, you know, food justice, not only growing gardens, but also in, like, organic, holistic animal agriculture that is regenerative for the land, that is more sustainable. So there are ways to do it that are better. And so for people that are still love meat and eat it all the time, maybe a step that you can take is eating bio. I think you see here in Europe, bio, organic. Organic and locally sourced meat, you know, that comes from a local source, rather than industrial McDonald's like stuff. So I think it's an important part to look at the alternatives that there are, and obviously not everyone's going to go vegan right away. So finding the steps that we're going to have to take to get there, and in making any big industry more sustainable is very important.
We have another question right here, and this I think it's the last question because I didn't. Okay. Then we have two more questions around.
What's the difference between an Aztec and an Inca?
What's the difference between an Aztec and an Inca?
That's a very good question.
That's a great question. Thank you for asking that. So Inca people were indigenous, was a huge native empire of people in, like,